What's up, Mopar fans? I hope you guys are having a great time out there. So today's video, we have a huge problem. And I mean a big problem. So, I'm going to get right down to it. Check this out, guys. That's a control arm. That is broken. And that is the ball joint that still has the piece of broken control arm bolted between it. I mean, what the hell, Ram? So this truck is a 2013 Ram 1500 that is basically bone stock, guys. No lift, no lowering, nothing. Basically a bone stock truck that is just daily driven. It's actually a neighbor's truck that I lived next door to for many years, and this is his everyday truck that, I mean, is absolutely babied. Nothing is put on this truck that's crazy. I mean, it is a stock truck, and yet he had that problem, and that could have been really, really bad for him and his family. Luckily, it happened as he was pulling into a parking lot, and he was turning around, and it just went boom, just fell apart. Absolutely crazy, guys. So I'm going to show you some pictures of what it looked like when it fell apart, what he did to fix the problem so that he can feel safe again driving this truck. But this is not good, and I definitely wanted to get this out there so you guys can see this. And make sure you guys are not having any of these issues or about to have this issue on your Ram truck. So let's check it out. As you can see, guys, pretty much a stock truck. 2013 Ram Bighorn right there. Holy moly. Tire off. Tire down. Wow, you can really see, I mean, it ripped it right off of the control arm, just ripped that metal right out. Absolutely crazy. There's the ball joint. You can still see the pieces of the metal still stuck in the ball joint. These are the new control arms that he installed. These are the JBA off-road solid control arms. These things are built very well. They're going to set you back about $500, but they are solid and they are made for racing. That's what they look like after he installed them. Like I said, these things are solid. They got grease points everywhere. So there you have it, guys. That is absolutely terrible, and I hope that happens to nobody else out there. And man, that's terrible. Absolutely terrible. So, like I said, guys, check out your trucks, check your Ram out. If your control arm looks anything like this, they have changed them a lot over the years. The one on Frostbite actually looks different. It doesn't look very solid either, but it's not like this one. It's not got the two-piece hollow design. It's actually one piece that's up here, you can see. So check yours out. See if you have this. If you do, I highly recommend you chunk that stuff in the trash can. You definitely don't want that to happen to you. That is a very unsafe situation, and that could have been really bad if that happened while he was driving down the road. So, I think that's going to do it for this video, guys. As always, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button for the notifications. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.